Hello guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Megha Chopra and in today's video I'm gonna show you top 5 under 50. Yes, it is not 500 or 5000, it is under 50 rupees. As we all know, we are stuck in lockdown and due to coronavirus we should stay at our home, obviously, because health is wealth. But as we all know, like, I'm not talking about beauty related things here. I'm just talking about bare minimum skincare things that you need to, like, do. Even if not these products, some products L you might be even using, but I am just here presenting the cheaper alternatives for the same. So yeah, I hope that you will like it. And also you can get these products easily at any chemist shop, or जो भी essential shops खुली हुई हैं, you can legit get them there. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first is, I love applying lip balm. So yeah, here I have with me the Himalaya lip balm and I love this lip balm. Hope you can see. Yes, and I'll just mention all the price like here. So yeah, the Himalaya lip balm is like a really good, like it is like the thick lip balm that actually moisturizes your lips and also is under the budget. Okay, so the next product is, हमने lips को moisturize कर लिया, तो obviously you need to moisturize this beauty right here, your face. So yeah, for face I have been using this currently, and trust me, I've got this from a chemist. I've got that from the chemist shop. I went to buy some medicines and I saw it and I was amazed. Like this Pond's Ultra Gel, I've used the creme based one, but this one is so good. Like for summers it's perfect, and it is like for legit 49 rupees. इसमें बड़ा वेरिएंट भी आता है, बट आई हैड टू ट्राई इट, सो मैंने इसका छोटा वाला लिया एंड इट्स अमेजिंग. एंड इस पर क्वान्टिटी बहुत ज़्यादा मिलती है आपको, एंड I've already used half of it. I've been obsessing over it lately. So yeah, if you are searching for an affordable moisturizer and if you're oily skin, you can definitely give it a try. I don't know about dry skin because I have oily skin, so yeah, it works best for me. Okay, so the next is this face pack, and this is the Himalaya. Wow, this is this Everyuth peel of face pack, and this comes in like this sachet packs. And मेरे को ट्यूब चाहिए थी, to be really honest, जो आ जाती है like 40-45 की आती है. I don't know, I don't remember. Like I guess इसका ट्यूब 45 or 60 के around आते, because any which ways the Everyuth one and the Himalaya one are so good and affordable, skincare brands that it, like, they are some brands that are under our budget and it literally works for it, like works for our skin. And why I'm showing you this peel off mask, because I think कि मैं जब, to be really honest, मैं जब peel off mask यूज़ करती हूँ, so I can just use it directly. Like मुझे scrub की इतनी need नहीं पड़ती, because when we are peeling that, वो जो I feel like that dirt is any which way just drifted away from it. And after this, when I'm done shooting this video, this baby is going on my face, like for sure. So yeah, if you want a glow face pack, then you can definitely try this one. Okay, so the next is my OG product. Like I've been using it for years and years, like for real, I've been using it for so long. This is this Borolene, and you can see by the condition of this that how much I use this. Like literally I use it on my elbows, my knees, even on my lips. Like this is one product that legit gives you result in one day, and I have seen it. I'm not lying whatsoever. Trust me, if you feel like it doesn't work, just apply a thick layer of it on your lips and you can for sure see the result the next morning. I can bet you on that. And even जहाँ भी you have cracked heels, it works great for cracked heels as well. So yeah, you can definitely give it this a try. Okay, so the next product is the face wash I am currently using. That is this Clean and Clear face wash. I forgot to bring it and I'm not finding it anywhere. I don't know, मैंने सुबह कहाँ रख दिया उसे. So yeah, that's that. And I have been like really using this one only because I have oily skin and I feel like ये बहुत इतना बिल्कुल ड्राई नहीं कर देते मेरी स्किन को. ऑल्दो इट does reduces the oil, like अच्छे से wash कर देता है, but I don't feel like Sahara desert dry. No, I don't feel like that. So yeah, these were my take on top 5 under 50. I hope that you liked it, and if you did, then please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and take a really good care of yourself. Bye.